Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Now it is time to start work. In your book The Science Factor we can discuss some basic scientific facts. So first I will give you introduction. Look at this picture. He says hello, I am super scientist. Scientist is a person who study things about science and have extreme knowledge about science. So question is that what is science? Science is a way of learning about everything in our world. In science we can discuss the different topic. But in your book The Science Factor we can discuss some basic scientific facts such as difference between living thing and non-living thing, about heat and light, about solar system, about food and diet. These are the some basic topic that we can discuss in our book The Science Factor. So first we can start our unit number 1. Our unit number 1 is the human body. In this unit we can discuss the different part of body, different body organ and their functions. Now we can start our unit number 1. Look at this picture. It is microscope. A microscope is a scientific instrument that make things appear much larger than they actually are. It means that the things that are very small, so you can see with the help of microscope. Microscope help us to see the things that we cannot see with our eyes. The things that we can see with the help of microscope, we call these things microscopic. So these are the two important lines, that microscope is a scientific instrument and microscopic are things that can be seen by with the help of microscope. Now look at the scientist. He says let study the senses organ. Senses organ mean your eyes, nose and tongue. These are the senses organ because your eyes provide you a sense of sight, your ears provide you a sense of sound, your nose provide you a sense of smell, your tongue provide you a sense of taste, and your fingers, your hands provide you a sense of touch. Now we can move to our topic number 1. Our first topic is skin. Skin is the human body largest organ and it covers the whole body. No other part of your body takes so much space. So skin does so many different jobs. In this topic we can also discuss the different jobs of skin, different function of skin. Now the first function is skin hold everything else inside your body. Number 2 is skin protect the other part of your body from disease. It also means that skin protect your body from dust and germs. Number 3 is skin make sure that your body is keep at the right temperature. Skin also maintain your body temperature. Number 4 is skin provides you with your sense of touch. These are the 4 main jobs of skins and you can also write on your register because your first question is also related this. What does your skin do? So the answer is skin does so many different jobs and there are the 4 jobs and you can also write this on your registers. Next is skin cells are always growing. They need to be because you are losing them all the time. Your skin loses about 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells. You must remember this number, 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells for this surface of every minute and most of the household dust and dead skin cells. Now this question is what does your skin do? You can read again this topic. There are the 4 jobs of skins and you can write it on your registers. Now we can start our next topic. Our next topic is about eyes. Eyes are the part of your body that provide you a sense of sight. It means that eyes are the part of the body that enable you to see the world around you. With the help of your eyes you can see the things. Now we can discuss how eyes help us to see the things. So there are the diagram of eye. There are the 3 main part of eye. The first is retina, second is optic nerve and third is lens. Now we can discuss how this part help us to see the things. Now retina is a thin layer of tissue that lines into the back of the eye of the inside and inverted the real image of the object is found on the retina and retina receive light from the lens. Now we can discuss how the lens what is lens. Lens make up of a transparent jelly like substance and the optic nerve is located in the back of the eye. These are the 3 main part of eye that help us to see the things around us. Now it is your brain that turn the image into the right way around and eyes are protected by eyelids and eyelashes. So your eyelid and eyelashes help you to protect the eyes. The eyelid close quickly when your brain senses danger to your eyes. Lashes trap the dust and other tiny particles. So we can look at these questions. This question is what part does the brain play in helping you to see? So the answer is optic nerve. Next is what do the eyelid and eyelashes do? You can you can read the last 3 lines of this topic and you will get the answer. Next is, how do you see an image? You can learn this topic, read this topic properly, and also write these 3 questions on your registers. Now best of luck. Allah Hafiz.